Welcome to Daily Brainer, your ultimate hub for daily books, book summaries and knowledge bites to fuel your curiosity every day. Let's dive in and expand our minds together. While most traders focus on buying low and selling high, short sellers profit when stocks fall. Kathryn F. Staley's The Art of Short Selling explores this bold, high-stakes strategy, uncovering how short sellers thrive by identifying vulnerabilities in overhyped markets. Let's dive into the contrarian world of short selling. Understanding short selling. The basics. Short selling involves borrowing shares, selling them at the current price, and repurchasing them later at a lower price to pocket the difference. Sounds straightforward? Not quite. Staley emphasizes that the risks can be immense. There's theoretically no limit to how high a stock price can rise, making timing and discipline critical. Why short sell? Spotting overvaluation. Short selling is not just about profit, it's about restoring market balance. Staley explains that successful short sellers are like detectives, uncovering companies with exaggerated valuations, weak fundamentals, or fraudulent practices. They thrive on exposing the vulnerabilities others overlook. Red flags in financial statements. Staley teaches the art of reading financial statements to uncover hidden red flags. These include excessive debt, inflated revenue, inventory buildup, and questionable accounting practices. Recognizing these early can give short sellers the edge to act before the market catches on. Behavioral psychology. Greed versus fear. Markets are driven by two powerful forces, greed and fear. During periods of euphoria, prices soar beyond reason, creating opportunities for short sellers who anticipate the inevitable correction. Staley emphasizes understanding these psychological patterns as a key component of successful short selling. The risks of short selling. Short selling isn't without its challenges. The risks are asymmetrical. Your potential losses are unlimited if a stock price skyrockets. Staley highlights the importance of having a robust risk management plan, strict discipline, and a clear exit strategy to navigate these dangers. Case studies. Learning from the best. Staley brings theory to life with compelling case studies, from corporate frauds to unsustainable business models. These stories illustrate how experienced short sellers identify and exploit weaknesses, offering valuable lessons for aspiring contrarians. Ethical considerations. Short selling often faces criticism for being seen as betting against progress. However, Staley argues it plays a vital role in maintaining market health by exposing fraudulent practices and preventing dangerous bubbles. Responsible short selling keeps markets honest and efficient. Closing scene. Mastering the art of short selling. Short selling isn't for everyone. It demands analytical skills, psychological resilience, and a deep understanding of market dynamics. Kathryn F. Staley's The Art of Short Selling equips readers with the insights and tools to thrive in this high-risk but rewarding arena. Are you ready to embrace the contrarian mindset? Key takeaways. Spot overvaluation by identifying companies with weak fundamentals, fraudulent practices, or unsustainable growth. Master forensic analysis to uncover red flags like excessive debt and questionable accounting in financial statements. Understand market psychology, as greed drives irrational highs and fear creates opportunities for short sellers. Mitigate risks through timing, discipline, and having a clear exit strategy, as short selling carries unlimited potential losses. Recognize that responsible short selling is ethical, helping to correct market imbalances and expose corporate wrongdoing. Would you like to explore any specific aspect in more detail? Thanks for watching Daily Brainer. If you enjoyed today's dose of knowledge, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video. Daily_Brainer, empowering you, one insight at a time.